What's up, future millionaires? Before you click away, thinking I'm about to crush your dreams of financial freedom, hear me out. I'm about to drop some truth bombs that might actually save your bank account and your sanity. Today we're talking about something that's going to make some of you uncomfortable. Forex trading and crypto trading. The two golden tickets that everyone's selling you as your path to riches. They're basically educational gambling. And I'm going to prove it to you in the next few minutes. Now, before the keyboard warriors come for me in the comments, let me be crystal clear. I'm not some bitter trader who lost his shirt and now wants to rain on everyone's parade. I've been in the financial space for years. I've seen the highs, the lows, and everything in between. And more importantly, I care about your financial future. Let's start with the elephant in the room. When you walk into a casino, you know you're gambling, right? The flashing lights, the free drinks, the atmosphere. It's all designed to separate you from your money. But here's the kicker. At least the casino is honest about what you're doing. But when it comes to Forex and crypto trading, we've dressed up gambling in a three-piece suit and called it investing. We've got charts, indicators, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. All these fancy terms that make us feel smart and sophisticated. It's like going to Vegas with a PhD in mathematics and thinking that makes the slot machines less random. Here's what's really happening in your brain when you're staring at those candlestick charts at 2 a.m. Your dopamine receptors are firing off like it's the 4th of July. Every green candle, every profitable trade, every time you call a market move correctly, boom. You get that hit of satisfaction that's eerily similar to what happens when someone hits a jackpot. And just like gambling, the losses, they sting differently. You don't just lose money, you lose your confidence, your sleep, sometimes your relationships. I've seen people mortgage their homes, drain their retirement accounts, all because they convinced themselves they had the system. But wait, I hear you saying, I'm not gambling, I'm learning, I'm studying the markets, I'm reading books, I'm taking courses. And you know what? That's exactly what makes this so dangerous. You are learning. You're becoming incredibly educated about something that's still fundamentally unpredictable. It's like becoming a world expert on coin flipping techniques. Impressive knowledge, but the coin doesn't care about your expertise. Let me share something with you that the gurus won't tell you. The Forex market trades over $6 trillion daily. Trillion, with a T. Do you really think your $500 account and your YouTube education is going to outsmart institutional traders with billion-dollar algorithms and teams of PhD mathematicians? It's like showing up to an NBA game as a weekend warrior and expecting to dominate LeBron James. The confidence is admirable, but the odds? Not so much. And crypto? Don't even get me started. It's like the Forex market's rebellious teenage cousin who discovered energy drinks and social media. One Elon Musk tweet can swing your portfolio 30% in either direction. That's not investing. That's digital roulette with a tech overlay. I've watched people become crypto millionaires overnight and then lose it all just as fast. The stories of lumbos and early retirement, those are the lottery winners, not the norm. For every success story you hear, there are thousands of people quietly nursing their losses and too embarrassed to talk about it. Here's the brutal truth that no one wants to admit. Most retail traders lose money. Not some, not half most. Studies consistently show that 70 to 90% of retail Forex traders lose money over time. If this were any other industry with those success rates, we'd call it what it is, a scam. But because we can point to charts and analysis and education, we convince ourselves we're different. We're special. We're going to be in that elite 10 to 30% who make it. And here's where it gets really dark. Trading addiction is real, and it's devastating. I've seen people treat their trading accounts like slot machines, constantly depositing more money, chasing losses, convincing themselves that the next trade will be the trade that turns everything around. The platforms know this. They make it easy to deposit. They send you notifications. They gamify the experience with badges and achievements. Sound familiar? It should. It's the same playbook that makes mobile games and social media so addictive. So what's the solution? Am I telling you to never touch financial markets? Not necessarily, but I'm telling you to be honest about what you're doing. If you want to trade with money you can afford to lose, for the thrill and the education, go for it. Just call it what it is, expensive entertainment. But if you're looking for real wealth building, there are boring, proven strategies that actually work. Index funds, dollar cost averaging, long-term investing in diversified portfolios. It's not sexy, it won't make you rich overnight, but it has a much better track record than trying to predict which way euro to US dollar is going to move in the next 15 minutes. Look, I know this isn't what you wanted to hear. I know you came here hoping I'd validate your trading dreams or give you the secret sauce to market domination. But sometimes the most caring thing you can do for someone is tell them the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. If you found value in this reality check, smash that like button and subscribe for more content that prioritizes your financial well-being over feel-good fantasies. And in the comments, let me know, are you ready to face the truth about trading, or are you going to keep chasing the gambling high? Remember, real wealth is built slowly, steadily, and with a lot less drama than the trading lifestyle promises. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay solvent, and stop gambling with your future. And hey, this isn't financial advice, just one person's perspective based on years of observation. Do your own research, make your own decisions, and please, only risk what you can afford to lose.